Hey there, since I'm at home in Wyoming, I thought that I would come out into the corrals and shoot you this little video with my horse's booty in the way, sorry. Anyway, so I wanted to give you some context on how the Grant Writing Collective came to be. If this little colt that's right here doesn't knock my camera over. Come here, come over here, little stinker. Anyway, so he's gonna knock me over. Hey, what are you doing? So, here he is. This is my little helper. I'll stick him right there. Okay, anyway. So we had CARES Act money was going crazy and we were getting a ton of requests to write grants. So we ended up hiring a bunch of our students. A lot of you know about this. And that was great, except I couldn't manage it all. So I ended up bringing on Alex. This horse is gonna like literally eat my camera. Don't do that, stop. So anyway, brought on Alex and she whipped us into shape because she is, my little helper, a heck of a project manager. And she built our company culture. She introduced me to Asana. She got us into just like put systems in place. And so fast forward, we did 150K in revenue in 5 months and had it was a marvelous time, really enjoyed it. But the reality was we just wanted to focus on the course, like on this business. That's the one we loved. So we ended up shutting down the consulting business, and in August, which was really hard. I mean, I'd had a couple contracts worth $50,000 a year, so saying no to that was tough. But we did it, and all my helpers here. Hello. And then we had a really tough fall, to be totally honest with you. So Alex had her own challenges. I took a fall running. Stop trying to eat my camera. Colts are too curious. So I took a fall running and couldn't even stand or sit. Like, we just got our butt kicked. But about the same time, we also noticed that there was sort of these recurring questions coming up that a lot of students were trying to figure out. How can they hey, stop it, gosh. How they can start, maybe this is a bad idea. How they can start their own business. They were trying to take this technical training and build that into, like, make the leap into actually creating a career. And so from there, let's see. So we ended up signing up because we were really stuck for an online course ourselves. And it was a huge investment, like rather scary, to be honest. Like, gosh, can we even afford this? But we did it, and we're so glad we did, because it helped us really have a roadmap to figuring out, like, why are we like pretty close to doing this right, but not getting it entirely? And that led to having like 25 plus interviews with students and with people that are interested in the program. And that was when all these light bulbs went off. And we're like, okay, basically we were giving you the technical training, but we weren't giving you the other stones to get across the river in terms of knowing, how do I find clients and get paid, whether you want to land a full-time job or you want to start a grant writing consulting business, and then tying in Alex's amazing freedom in project management stuff, because holy smokes, she's really what made the difference between, like, I can kind of keep it together, but I'm like a functionally dysfunctional or functionally not very organized person. So she really, the combining of, to like bring this full circle, the 2-for-1 is like her brain, my brain together has created the collective. So please go watch that little video we made, so I don't have to like go into great detail on it here, because the horses are making this a little challenging. Oh gosh, thanks for the kiss. Anyway, that was just the background context on when we built this. We really built it based on the feedback that you gave us. It's what I am most proud of. It feels like 3 years of working at this, listening to you, and it's finally like coming together and like, all right, we have got something. This is our unique thing that we can teach you and help you with. And I'm just really excited about it. So we'd love to have you. And that's it, because I've got another colt and a whole bunch of bulls. I'll give you guys a 360 of what it's like right now. Bunch of bulls. They're just living their best life, eating a bunch of hay. I really like this horse. Very cute, very friendly. More bulls. All right, have a rockin' week, and that's it. Catch you later.